things to you, and I don't know what else to do. I've seen your fucking attitude. Oh, I've been doing someone that you know. It's not a secret to me anymore. 'Cause I've seen you blowing around my fan with empty words, our worlds colliding.
Let's get back to the bitch and that reason they think because of the fucking they hoes. Only reason you said it cause the niggas said that you sucking the dick in the toes. You get caught, gotta know how it goes. Cause this shit can get tricky for sure. Rich enough to get put in a hole. Got a crew but I've been all alone. I've been driving the car from the back, taking pictures and pieces and back of the roads. Back then the little boy wanna crystal, let's crank up the beef and get back to the shows. In Miami we BP the boat. Put the bulletproof back on the road. In a minute it's been so long. Ever wonder that I was doing wrong. I tell you, hold up, I'm switching up the tone.
Welcome to the party. I hit the boy up and then I go skate in the Rari. Baby, welcome to the party. Bitch, I'm a thot. Get me lit. Gun on my head. One in the head. Set in the clip. Baby, don't trip. Just lower your tone.
Face it, and I killed it. That's how I stay true. Richer than rich, so you niggas come and get them off.
Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken. You're so fake.
Hey, you ain't flying Billy Spur. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't sitting down pearls. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce car. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you wanna wall it all my hoes. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years.